Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to make TikTok account public. Making TikTok account public allows anyone to view your videos, which is great if you want to reach a wider audience and share your creativity. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Go to Privacy Settings. Here, you will find the Private Account option at the top of the list. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to switch to public account. Tap on the switch option to save the changes. And this is how you can make TikTok account public. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.